Drug relationships such as antidoting, inimical, complementary etc. is a controversial subject in homeopathy. Actually, the fundamental cause of this controversy and confusion is the failure in differentiating between molecular imprints forms of drugs and molecular forms of drugs. Some doctors believe that single dose of Nux vomica in high potency will antidote all the biological effects of previous allopathic drugging. Some people use camphor, some others use aloes, for this purpose, in high potencies. Did anybody ever ask, what is the biological mechanism by which this antidoting happens? Even if anybody dare to ask, is there anybody or any textbook, to give a scientifically plausible answer? When searching through the literature regarding drug relationships, it will be seen that no serious scientific studies have been done on this subject. Most of the drug relationships are proposed by empirical clinical observations of practitioners, and not corroborated by scientific studies or evidences. Concept of drug relationships is relevant only when you are using molecular forms of drugs such as crude drugs, mother tinctures, and low potencies below Avogadro limit or 12C, which contain original drug molecules that act by their chemical properties. Homeopathic drugs potentized above 12C contain only molecular imprints of the drug substance, which are nanocavities formed by supramolecular clustering of water and ethyl alcohol, and they contain only water and ethyl alcohol molecules that act only upon pathogenic molecules due to their conformational affinities. Any sample of post-Avogadro diluted drugs contains hundreds of types of individual imprints, representing the diverse types of chemical molecules contained in the original drug substance. It is obvious that they coexist without disturbing or influencing each other in any way, same time preserving their individual properties as molecular imprints of specific drug molecules. Homeopathic drugs above 12C cannot engage in any mutual interaction within or outside the organism. They can never antidote or any way influence each other. Molecular imprints contained in higher potencies of a drug may antidote the physiological effects of low potencies and mother tinctures of same or similar drugs, due to their conformational affinities. If there is similarity only between certain types of constituent molecules of two drugs, partial antidoting is possible between molecular and molecular imprinted forms of drugs. We should be aware of the possibility of dangerous chemical interactions that might result between the constituent drug molecules of different drugs, when we mix or administer two or more mother tinctures and low-potency preparations together.